Let's learn this llamada. Ole. So that llamada, you can use it, it's a generic 12 count, so you can use that for Alegrías, Soleá por Bulerías, Guajiras, Bamberas, etc., etc., etc. So let's begin. So understanding where you put your llamadas or how you create one, it's important to know the structure of the whole dance. And so all of the dances that are like the solos, like Alegrías, Guajiras, Soleá por Bulería, they have like the same structure. If you need help with that, I have a free guide to Palos and Structure, and there's a link below in the description below. But this little piece, you can use it for so many different things. Okay. So we start off with the rolling golpe. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, when you're doing a llamada and it gets fast, you really need to, first off, practice it nice and slow so that you have all the technique and all the timing nice and clean, and then you can speed it up. And if you're not quite clear on where it is in the compás, it's important that you play palmas with solo compás and verbalize it. So ole. All right, so again, so when we are really hitting hard in that rolling golpe, bend the knees just a hair more, and really get those heels up. So 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that last one, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going da ga dum bum ba ga dum bum ba ga dum bum ba. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put those together. So 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again. 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3. Okay, so 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3. We're going to set up for our turn. 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3. Now, when you're setting yourself up for that turn, you really want to be able to, you want to zip up and keep those arms rounded, and make sure as you're turning that your arms are there to help you. So you need to keep them nice and rounded. They're supporting you. They're giving you momentum as opposed to making you fall over. Okay, so 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3. I'm turning on the left towards the right, and make sure to spot. So I'm looking at myself as much as possible. Ba, ba. So 11, 12, ba, 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 ba. Oh! Huh. Again, look up, butt up. Okay? All right. So 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 5, 6. All right, 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, ba, So left, right, ba, da, ga, da, ga, da, ba, da. 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. Now when you're doing the palma, make sure that your arms are in control. Don't go floppy, floppy, floppy. Don't do that. You want to be in control. Baka, baka, ah. So it's left, right. Okay? So again, 11, 12, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. So 9, 10, and all right, let's put it together and then we'll practice it with solo compás. So 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole. Let's practice that with solo compás. Okay, here we go. 9, 10, and 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 and 3, 4, 5. Baka, aka, ah, para. Ole. Again. 7, 8, 9, 10, and ole. Let's practice that a little faster. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 last time, faster. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole, that was fun. So be sure to practice that nice and slow, 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 in compás with the accents and feeling it in your body, nice and strong. If you want to learn more about the structure of flamenco, which is absolutely 1000% necessary, you need to be able to speak flamenco in order to dance it. Be sure to get my free guide to flamenco structure and palos. There's a link below in the description, and also there's a QR code that you can get right now. So thank you for dancing with me, and I'll see you next time.